Emotional intelligence refers to the ability to recognize, understand, and manage one's own emotions, as well as the emotions of others. Developing emotional intelligence can improve our relationships with others, enhance our communication skills, and increase our self-awareness. One important aspect of emotional intelligence is empathy, which involves the ability to understand and share the feelings of others. Emotional intelligence can be improved through various techniques such as mindfulness, self-reflection, and practicing effective communication skills. Having high emotional intelligence can lead to better decision-making, improved mental health, and overall well-being.